Good afternoon, all the participants. I request all the participants to mute themselves. Okay.
Hello.
Good afternoon, all the participants.
Santosh, Dr. Santosh.
Yes, sir.
It is better if all the participants will start their video. I think.
Yeah. I request all the participants. This is the validatory function, so all the participants can on their videos, so that we'll have a better visibility. With this, I welcome all the participants in today's validatory function of the 5 days training course on advanced tools and techniques for the hydrological investigations. Since last 5 days, you all are engaged with us in different training lectures as well as hands-on exercises. So in the last 5 days, we have seen the different aspects of tools and techniques for the hydrological investigations, which you can apply in your research work as well as in your field projects. We hope that we try to satisfy your queries, comments, and strengthen your skills from our end, and we try our best to deliver the required outputs as per the aims and objectives of this course. So with this little background, I welcome our Honorable Acting Director and Head of Hydrological Investigation Division, Dr. Sudhir Kumar sir, to grace the presence in the today's validatory function. Before starting our validatory function, first of all, I would like to give you a brief overview, sir, what we have covered in the training course and what is the feedback received from the participants for our course. And after that, we'll have your validatory speech. So in this course, we have seen the different courses starting from the hydrological investigation and why its needs from Dr. Sudhir Kumar sir. And then we have seen the field and laboratory instrumentation part, those delivered by the Dr. Suhas Kobragade sir and Dr. M.S. Rao sir. Then after, we have seen the introduction of remote sensing and GIS and its hands-on exercises by myself and Dr. Pradeep Kumar sir. Then we have seen latter part of the training, spring hydrology and its importance, why inventarization is very important in case of mountainous catchment. And after that, water quality analysis. And then after this, we have seen some advanced tools and techniques which can be useful for the hydrological investigations, such as the application of Google Earth Engine and Google Earth, then introduction to the groundwater modeling, which is delivered by Dr. Sudhir Kumar sir. And practically, we demonstrated the groundwater modeling by using the Visual ModFlow software by engineer Anjali. So all the topics we have tried to cover in 5 days, so that participants got the exposure in those training, in this training. Lastly, in today's session, we have seen the soil and water assessment tool. That is very important part of this training program. But at least now we hope that all the participants got received the exposure about these different techniques. With this, now overall our last 5 days judgment has came from the participant side, and we made an Google form to see how we are performing and delivering our outputs. So there is a feedback from the participants. The first question we asked, what is the usefulness of the course in improving your knowledge? So most of the participants, that more than almost 90% participants, they are saying that this course is very useful for us, and 10% or 11% participants, they are saying useful. Similarly, there was a next question on feedback. Your impression about lectures delivered in the training course. So 80%, almost 80% participants, they are saying the content of the course and delivery was very useful, and almost 20% participants said that the course is very useful. Then the next question was on overall organization and management of the course. So the almost 60% participants, they say they have given feedback that the course was excellent, and 37% was saying it was very good. Okay, and the next question was on what do you feel about the duration of the course. Almost the 76% participants, they are saying that the course duration is sufficient. 19.6, almost 20%, they are saying that course is too short, and the some remaining few percent, they are saying that the course is a little long. Then we asked about, will this training help you directly in your job or profession? So almost 98% participants, they are saying that this course is very useful for their career. Then we asked whether your queries addressed by the experts or not. Then almost 70% participants, they are saying all the queries were addressed very well, and 28.3%, they are saying the queries address was satisfactory. Then the next question we asked whether your expectation fulfilled or not. Then 65% participants, they are saying their whatever they expected from this course, all their queries were they are satisfied with this course, and 32.6% they said that they are satisfactory. Then if you see the overall feedback we received for our 5 days training course on advanced tools and techniques, then we asked the question, how will you overall rate the training program in 1 to 5 scale? Okay, that means the 1 indicates the poor and 5 indicates the excellent. So we received the excellent grade. 63% participant have said that the course was excellent, and 32% participants, they said that the course is in lesser grade. So with this remark, okay, the last question, this is very important actually. In the wake of corona pandemic, we asked the last question, that is, which mode do you like to prefer such a training program in the future, whether you should go for online or whether you would like to attend the physical course. Then the 73.9% participants, they are interested in attending the physical course, while the 26% they are interested in online. With this small background, I stop here for my introductory speech. Now I request all the participants, the interested participants, which they represent from the different regions of the world, like from Ethiopia, from Saudi Arabia, from United States of America, from AIT Bangkok, like Thailand. So interested participants, if they have any comments, suggestions, queries, they can reflect and they can directly share with us in this, in addition with the feedback we received through online. There are some other comments are also there, but due to the shortage of timing, I am not showing. Just please, one by one, you just on your mic and tell. Hello. Okay, I will just give the chance, then you can talk. Anyone from Ethiopia, they would like to make a comment so that we can avoid the echo problem. Anyone
Santosh,
from Ethiopia?
Santosh,
yeah,
you can unshare your screen.
Yeah, I stop like 1 minute. Yeah. Please, okay. I request to Dimalash Adme, he can unmute himself and share his experience whatever he got during the course.
Okay. Thank you for this training organizations. I'm Demilash from Ethiopia. I'm PG student from Addis Ababa University in hydrology and water source management. I am very interested for this training. I'm just doing for research related to for this course title, that is for the exposure of anthropogenic in climate. And also this is very useful for me, like for different tools as we have discussed. There is, I have many options to use for tools, models, and different things. So this, I am very happy and I am take for many skills from this training. So thank you very much.
Thank you. Anyone from Ethiopia?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, you unmute yourself. Start. Kinde, you can talk. Your voice is not coming. No, your voice is not coming. No, your voice is not coming. Okay. Anybody would like to share now? Kinde, your voice is not coming. You are muted. Please unmute yourself. Okay, no problem. Just leave it. Anyone participant from AIT Bangkok? Participant from AIT Bangkok. Otherwise, you can raise the hand in the chat box so that I can allow one by one. Anyone from India would like to make a comment? Okay. Ariz, please share your your views.
Very good afternoon, sir. As well respected speakers. So I am
Hello, Ariz, can you unmute yourself? Hello. Hello. Ariz.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yeah, you talk loud.
Yeah.
So I am Ariz
Your voice
Ahmad,
is
a
not
PhD student, National Institute of Advanced Studies. Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
So I would like to thank all the organizer as well as respected speaker. And through this training, I learned many hydrological as well as the modeling aspect. It covers all the aspect of the hydrology as well as the hands-on session would benefit in my research work. And I especially thanks to Dr. Pingle sir and Rawat sir who did their job very well and well structured training program for conducting, and hope we will also in future we will attend these type of trainings. We focus more on the hands-on and practical session. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Ariz. Anybody would like to make a comment next? Raise your hands. From India.
Your comments are very important for us for improving the course content. So be frank, tell about if you feel that some things have not been covered adequately, or you want some improvement in the content of the course, you may give your comments.
Anyone from the private organization would like to make a comment?
Good
Manish
afternoon.
ji. Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Amit Raj from Central University of Jharkhand,
Okay.
from National Groundwater Research Institute, Raipur, under M. Siva Kumar Sai. I am very thankful to NIH for giving me chance attending the training program. But in this training, if we have some physical or more time for the hands-on, especially on sweat model, because I am doing especially in Chennai basin. So in future, happy if I get more chance of having model. But the training program was very knowledgeable for all. Thanks.
Afternoon, sir. Hello.
Okay. Okay.
Good,
Yeah.
good
Please
afternoon.
introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. I'm Dr. Nishikant, and I'm a student of IIT ISM Dhanbad. Sir, thank you for organizing such events, sir, in which we came to know detailed about the current situation as well as the about the hydrological modeling and the about the mod flow in detail, sir. So, sir, please continue to organize such kind of training and programs, sir. And sir, obviously we love to attend physically because it's very informative session was there. Thank you so much, sir. And I'm thankful to Santosh sir, Pingle sir, and Sobat sir for organizing such kind of training, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Nishikant.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Santosh, Sneha is saying something.
Yeah, Sneha, you can talk. Sneha, you can
Go
talk.
ahead.
Good afternoon, ssir. I'm Miss Neha Veladi from one of the KVK of Maharashtra.
Can you make video on?
Hello.
Can you make video on video so that?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Hello. Good afternoon once again, sir. The training was very excellent, and especially the hands-on session was very useful for me. But one submission is there, sir. If possible, in future, please arrange such type of training in physical mode. That is only one my submission. Otherwise, the training was excellent, sir. And we are interested for such type of trainings in further. As my also is water, so I am interested for. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much. Anybody who would like to make a comment? Anyone? Dr. Abhishek. Oh. If there is no comment from the participants,
I think Kasifa is saying something.
yeah. Then
Good afternoon, sir. Yeah, the training was very, had very informative and very enlightening. Like, hello.
okay. Just continue.
Hello. Thank you so much, Rawat sir and Pingle sir, Sudhir sir. The training was really very, informative. But you know what? We got very less time to understand all those models. So, which is obvious because it was all conducted in the online mode. So we would like to, be physically present in NIH Turkey so that we could get a, one-to-one, interactive session, and we could get a good demonstration of all those things, like in person. Because online, it becomes very hectic, continuously seeing the screen. Tired. So, I would like suggest one thing, that next time please organize this itself so that we could come and get that demonstration in person. But yes, the workshop was very interesting and enlightening. Thank you.
Shifa, you are not audible. Please check.
आवाज ही नहीं आ रही.
Okay. Anyway, Manishji, you want to say something?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, thank you so much for conducting this course in advanced tool and technique for hydrogeological investigation. I had attended a similar course during 2019, and this session was very useful, thought provoking, and beneficial to be implemented. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Anybody? Otherwise, now we are running out of time. We can stop here for the participants' feedback.
Mr.
Santosh, Lakshmi Ram wants to say something. Please go ahead.
Okay.
I am Lakshmi Ram Kiran, sir, and I am from NIT Warangal, Water Resource Department.
Okay, please on your video.
Yes, sir. I was
okay. Video is on. Okay.
Yes. We come to know what are the different advanced techniques, sir. Prior, we are working on SWOT and mod flow, and I am very thankful to Santosh sir because he has responded instantly to my email about the vacancy because I just I'm thinking I just texted him before 2 days, I think. I'm very thankful to you, sir. Otherwise, I missed this chance. That's what I want to feel, sir. And thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. So with the physical constraints and corona pandemic, we could not able to organize this training in physical mode, as we tried a long time to organize this training in physical mode, but the situation was not improved, and then we decided to conduct this course online. So that was our limitations, but basically we miss the lab visit and field visit in this program. Otherwise, rest of the rest of the content we tried to address in this course. With this, I think we'll stop for the responses from the participant. Now I would like to ask Dr. Suhas Kubragade sir, being the representative of the experts, how he feel about the online training program, so that he can guide us, maybe being a senior scientist, and then after that we'll have a valedictory speech by Dr. Sujit Kumar sir.
Thank you, Dr. Pingle. It was a nice experience because it was for the first time that I was delivering my lectures online. Otherwise, we are used to the physical courses here. So that way, although we feel the difference really between a physical course and an online course, but nevertheless, nowadays since we are living in the world of technology, I think this way is also a very good way of saves over a lot of time also. But for things like lab visits and demonstrations and hands-on, of course, this cannot. I mean, that physical course is much more better. I think what I observed from your speech is that you nicely planned the course and systematically considering the basic aspects of the initially and then slowly into the modeling. So I think it's a very well organized course. Of course, I did not attend all the courses, but a few I attended. I think we from NI side try our best to whatever knowledge that we have, we tried our best to impart that knowledge to the participants. I hope that the participants will learn from our training course, and I wish that the participants will be in touch with in future also, because we have a regular training courses at NI, and few of you should join these courses. They are on different subjects, and next month we are planning a training course on conservation of lakes, wetlands, and springs. So that will be next month. So like those that will be organized by our division, but
In our institute, we organize regular courses, so you can be in touch with NIH and join these courses. And I wish all of the participants, the young participants, all the best for their career. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words and the comments and the new information which is shared with the participants. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Sudhir Kumar, sir. He can share his views as well as valedictory address to the participants.
Thank you, Dr. Pingle. Good afternoon to all. You are actually we had very little time to prepare for this course. I think in the first week of February only it was decided, after waiting for such a long time, that we will have a physical, because you see, due to this pandemic, whole of our activities were halted, and we thought that this way we cannot continue. We have to continue with the organizing of the courses as well as have interaction with youngsters, and this pandemic has given us a new opportunity. You will see that so many people in within 15 days could join us physically. It may not be possible to have so many participants with us because we have all types of constraints, traveling constraints, then lodging, boarding constraints for so many people. But this opportunity, though is not very, we also do not like this type of trainings too much, because we also want that people should come physically and have direct interaction about their problems also, because this is not a one-way process. Trainings are always a two-way process. We also learn from the participants and we also deliver to the participants. When participants discuss with us, only then we know about the real problems which they are facing, so that we can think of the solutions for those problems. And another good thing was for this training was that we could have at least 5 to 6 foreign participants. If you go for a physical training, I think to get the participants from abroad is a very difficult task. Okay, because I think we had participants from US also, from African countries also, from your Thailand also. So it was a good opportunity to showcase our capabilities also to the world also. Okay, so that is another positive point of such type of trainings. Regarding your feedback, I am very happy, and I will congratulate both Dr. Pingle and Dr. Rawat for excellently organizing this course. And I am very happy to see that most of the participants are satisfied. If not very happy, at least they are satisfied with the content of the course and the delivery of the lectures. In future also, as you know, our institute is organizing this type of training, not this type of online training courses. We have started only for the last 3-4 months only. But we are organizing physical courses for around 40 courses per year at NIH and in our different regional centers. So we have courses for headquarters also, and our 6 regional centers which we have in the different parts of the country, they also organize courses on different aspects of biology. Now, there was one comment that you should have hands-on training, and then in some of the aspects, there should be some detailed training. So for those participants, let me tell you, we have training programs for groundwater modeling. We have training programs for SWAT modeling. We have training programs for your isotope investigations and all. So we have, but this was a course which gave you an overview. It is not a detailed course, because in 7 days or 5 days, it is very, very difficult to cover whole of the hydrology. But still we tried our best to cover all aspects so that people can have idea. And then now that's why I wanted your feedback, specific feedback, what should we do in the future. So till this pandemic is not over, we will try to have our courses. We have another course, I think, in the last week of February, this March only, only after 20 days, we will have a course on spring hydrology and wetland hydrology, lakes and wetland hydrology. So those people who are interested, then there is a parallelly running course on groundwater aspects for UP government, UP groundwater department. There is another course going on flood in Jammu. So different themes are on different themes. We are organizing the training, and this training is not the end. This is the beginning of connection with you people, with you young people, so that in future you can work with us, we can work with you, and you can gain with us from our experience, and we can gain from your difficulties which you are facing in the field or in your research work. So with that, I will again congratulate the organizers for organizing such a course that was praised by almost all the people. I will say 80%, at least 80% or more than 80% people, your participants are happy. So with those words, I invite you all people to visit NIH and work with us in future also. Thank you very much.
Sir, just small announcement. Actually, on the behalf, because we are not on physical mode, physically present, but even though all the participants, they are, when they do complete their trainings, they expect something from us, that is in the form of certificates. So I would like to request, I will share the participant certificate online, and I will show you one by one, and then after the course, I will email you respective participants their individual certificates. Okay, so I will just share the screen so that they can see their certificate. Okay, and after that we'll have a vote of thanks by Dr. Sobhan Singh Rawat. So I'm just sharing my screen. Just let me know whether my screen is coming or not. Is it okay?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay. So the first certificate would like to present Mr. Ruchir Patidar from NIH Roorkee. Okay. Then second, Resmi SR, Sardar Vallabhbhai National Institute of Technology, Surat. Then third, Thalam Prashantha from IIT Ropar. Miss Shoni Parmar, GP Pant National Institute of Himalayan Environment. Padam Singh, College of Forestry, Rani Chauri. Mr. Anup Kumar, Sam Hanging-Bottom, University of Agriculture and Technology Sciences. Then Mr. Arij Ahmed from National Institute of Advanced Studies. Dr. Shraddha Yadav, MNIT Prayagraj, UP. Miss Monica Devi from Assam University, Silchar. Mr. Shivansh, SVNIT Surat. Mr. Darsil Vikaria, LD College of Engineering. Mr. Amit Bhardwaj from Roorkee. Miss Chandani, IIT Roorkee. Engineer Mohammad Akib Dar, Jammu and Kashmir Water Resources Regulatory Authority Department. Bhairav Prasad Ahirwar from Department of Environmental Science, Indira Gandhi National Tribunal University, MP. Suteja Kasi, National NIT Warangal. Then Lakshmi Ram Kiran Padilam, NIT Warangal. Anand Kumar Gupta, BHU Varanasi. Wage Abhishek, ICR New Delhi. Brij Kishore Pandey, BITS Pilani, Dubai campus. Miss Akhtar Jaha, IIT Roorkee. Ankit Sharma, IIT Roorkee. Prabhat Dwivedi, SVNIT Surat. Vidyasri Hosamani from Belgavi. Then Amit Raj from Central University of Jharkhand. Mr. Archana Nagarajan, University of Michigan, Dearborn. Then Vishal Thakur from AIT Bangkok. Dr. Nishikant, IIT Dhanbad. Dr. Abhinav, Shobhit University, Saharanpur. Dr. Durna Pisha Dakar, student, PG student. Ms. Mir Firoz from Jal Shakti Department, Irrigation and Flood Control Department, Jammu and Kashmir. Debasis Chakrabarti, Aliyah University. Tanvir Ali, IIT Roorkee. Vidyasri Hosamani, SG Bilak Pondri, Institute of Technology, Miss Manisha Singh, Indian Institute of Forest Management, Himandri Devang Shah, then Dimalash from Africa, Ethiopia, African Center of Excellence for Water Management, Addis Ababa University, Mr. Finde, Addis Ababa University, Africa Center of Excellence for Water Management, then Kashifa Iqbal, Balasaheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University, Lucknow, Ramesh Kumar, Indira Gandhi National Tribunal University, then Bhimsen Yadav, Groundwater Department, UP, Lakshmi Prasad Madhu, Andhra Pradesh State Agency of Remote Sensing, then Sneha Ramu Veladi, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Maharashtra, Sudhanshu Sekhar Mishra from Allahabad Agriculture University. They are all from Allahabad Agriculture University. Ashish Mishra, Delhi Technological University. Angresa Mansa Sangma, PG student. Yepto K. Deptomi. Dr. Kumar Abhishek, Sovil Limited Private Consultancy Company. So with this, there may be some corrections because we try to make it possible in a very short, even minutes of time we have taken to prepare these certificates. But we will, with corrections, we will send you on your respective emails these certificates. With this, I think would like to invite if there is any comment from Dr. Sudhir Kumar sir.
Dr. Pinde.
Yes, sir.
I will suggest one correction.
Yes, sir.
You include India also after Roorkee, because now it has become international, you know.
No, actually what happened, just within a 5 minute, we just give to one student. Yeah.
The correction in this.
Yes, yes, we will correct that one. Thank you, sir, for your suggestion. Yeah, we will correct it. Sir, can we end the session?
Yeah.
Okay, so I would like to invite Dr. Shobhan Singh Rawat sir to make his comment, or we can say the vote of thanks for our closing ceremony of our valedictory program. Dr. Shobhan Singh Rawat sir. Unmute yourself. You are muted, sir.
Well, thank you, Dr. Santosh. Am I audible?
Yes. Yes.
Thank you, Dr. Santosh, and respected head.
Audible, sir. You are not audible. Rawat sir.
Hello.
Yeah. Yes. Start.
Well, respected head hydrological investigation division and acting director of NIH, Roorkee, Dr. Sudhir Kumar sir, my senior scientist, Dr. Suhas Khobravere sir, and my fellow Dr. Santosh Pingle, and other members of organizing team and staff of HI division, and our most valued participants from across the country and overseas. It's my privilege to convey a vote of thanks on this valedictory function. First and foremost, I express my deep sense of gratitude to our Honorable Director Staff, Dr. J.V. Tyagi sir, who have given us all the necessary approval for organizing this training program, and also enriched the knowledge of our participants by delivering 2 lectures in this training program. Due to some urgent work, he could not attend the valedictory function, but his continuous support is always with us. I take this opportunity to extend our most sincere thanks to our head sir, Dr. Sudhir Kumar sir. Without his kind support, this training program could not be framed. He inspired and motivated us at every step of formulation of this training program. We are also thankful to all the eminent speakers of this training program who gave their valuable time to give exposure to our participants with different techniques of hydrological applications. We are also thankful to our Institute Computer Cell for creating WebEx link for the conductance of this training program in virtual mode without any hindrance throughout 5 days of training program. I am also thankful to our administration, finance, maintenance, audiovisual section, and all scientists and staff of division to provide all the necessary funds, facilities, and services to organize this course. Most important, we are thankful to all the participants across the country, and some are from overseas, for showing their interest in this training program and listen all the lectures very patiently, raising their queries time to time, and most important, maintain the decorum in all sessions of the training program. I'm also thankful to all of those who are directly or indirectly involved to organize this training program. Well, we are sorry that we could not provide a cup of tea or lunch or dinner to all the participants, but next time when you will physically visit our institute, we will sure provide all these kind of facilities to you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
With this, we'll stop. Sir, you are muted, sir. Please unmute yourself.
So I think you can have a photograph of
yes, sir. Yes.
all the participants.
Yeah. Yes, sir. I request all the participants to on their videos so that we can take a group photo for our memories. Please on the videos fast. Okay, with this, we'll close the valedictory ceremony. I have taken enough number of photos. Thank you, sir. Shall we close?
Yeah.
Okay, if there is no any comments from sir, we'll just stop here. Thank you very much for your nice participation, and we hope you will enlighten your knowledge through our short course, and you will make advancement in your career. Thank you very much.